How to see saved videos in YouTube accounts. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your YouTube application. Now for better illustration, I'll be saving a video just so you understand the process. Next thing I'll be doing is to find that video that I would like to save. To save this video, you want to go over to where you see your like and your share and remix. You want to scroll to the side until you see save. So you're going to be tapping on save. Now automatically it saves over to a playlist, which is my watch later, and you can actually create a new playlist or you can change the playlist that this video is saved to, but I would like it to be saved to watch later. Now for us to see this saved video in our watch later playlist, all you need to do is to click on the U icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to be seeing playlist. You can see I have my watch later playlist over there. Now if I tap on it, I have the video that I just saved. And guys, this is how to see your saved videos in your YouTube account. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.